Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer stocks from your Coinbase to your Robinhood. Now, the first thing you need to keep in mind that Coinbase doesn't allow direct stock transfers because Coinbase primarily deals with the cryptocurrencies, whereas Robinhood supports stock and cryptocurrency both. But if you are referring to transfer the crypto from your Coinbase to your Robinhood, you can follow this step. First, open up your Coinbase app, and from here, select the cryptocurrency that you're going to transfer. I'm going to select the Ethereum, and from here, you have to select this send button and then enter the amount how much you're going to transfer, and then click on next. And on this screen, you have to paste the wallet address from your Robinhood. So open up your Robinhood app and then go to this crypto tab. From here, click on this search icon and search for the cryptocurrency that you're going to receive in your Robinhood. So I will just search for Ethereum and select Ethereum from here. And then you just have to scroll down and click on this receive button. And then from here, click on this copy address button and your wallet address will be copied. Now go back to the Coinbase app and paste the wallet address in this area. And then you will see this option. After you paste the wallet address, you need to tap on it and then just confirm these details. Make sure wallet address and the amount is correct, and once you confirm these details, click on confirm and your cryptocurrency will be transferred. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.